Writing Task 1. To demonstrate that you have a great lexical resources, you need to use correct synonyms in your writing. Use a range of vocabulary. Do not repeat words and phrases from the exam question, unless there is no alternative. Use less common vocabulary. Do not use the same word more than once, twice. Use precise and accurate words in a sentence. It is advisable that you should learn synonyms and use them accurately in your writing, in order to give an impression that you have a good range of vocabulary. Use synonyms. For example, increase, synonym, rise, go up, uplift, rocketed, climb, upsurge, soar, climbed, increase, slumped, stabilized, dropped. Thank you for your watching. See you later.
Writing Task 1. Grammatical construction. For example, 1. The price of property fell sharply. 2. The percentage of homes dropped dramatically. Examples. 1. There was a fall in literacy levels. 2. There has been an increase in the cost of coffee. Examples. 1. The price of oil halved in less than a year. 2. The price of oil have halved since July. 3. By July, the price of oil has halved. Examples. Overall, more people preferred public transport than taxis. Examples. A higher number for people preferred public transport than taxis. Examples. Taxis were more popular than public transport. Examples. The highest percent of commuters preferred taxis. The least popular mode of transport was buse. Thank you for your watching. See you later.